Hi guys, this is day 7 of Navratri and it is dedicated to Devi Kalratri or Mahakali, and today's color theme is grey or black. So I have just mixed both and created this silvery beautiful festive makeup look. Let's get into the look. I started off with primer water by Color Bar, and this is Calm It Down. I'm spraying it all over my face and blending it with a blender. And then I'm moving on to my brows. I'm applying a clear gel by Etude House. And then I'm using Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit to fill my brows and shape them. When that is done, I am taking the Wet n Wild Coverall Concealer Wheel and I'm taking this peachy shade, applying it all over my eyelids, shaping my brows as well as filling my eyelids as a primer. And then I'm moving on to the orange color corrector by Nykaa. I'm applying it all over the place where I have hyperpigmentation and I'm blending it in with a brush. Again, going on to the Coverall concealer, I'm taking the green shade and applying it over few active pimples. And then I'm moving on to the foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330, blending it in with a flat top brush. For a brighter concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer to brighten up some high points of my face. And then I'm moving on to my eye makeup. I'm using the Bonjour Paris Metallic eye pencils in the shade black and grey. Black on the outer corner, I'm creating a V and smudging it in all over my eyelids. And then I'm using a brush to kind of smudge it the same black on my lower lash line. And then the inner part of my eyes on my eyelids, I'm applying the grey pencil and smudging it all up. On the grey portion, I'm also applying some metallic liquid, and this is by Swiss Beauty. It is liquid glitter eyeshadow. I'm using this eyeshadow on my lower lash line as well to give a festive look. Taking the creamy highlighter shade from the concealer wheel, I'm applying it on my brow bones, nose and my cupid's bow. And then I'm going on to the blush, Lakme 925 Pure Rouge blusher. I'm using this on my cheeks to give some color. And then I'm setting this all with some loose powder. I'm using the translucent powder by Sugar Cosmetics and applying it mainly on my lower lash line, under eyes and my neck. And then I'm going on to the mascara. I'm using the Falsies Push Up Drama by Maybelline and applying it all over my upper lashes. And then moving on to the highlighter, Nykaa Duo highlighter, and applying it on my cheekbones. Finally, I am finishing off this look with the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Ashy Red. And this is a nice bright red which kind of complements the grey and silver tones on my eyes. It looks like a party. The whole entire makeup look is amazing. So what do you think about this look? Do let me know in the comments, and if you did like the video, give it a huge thumbs up and follow me for more.